Hallo Leute, ich packe heute die All-Rally K643 aus. Ja, ihr habt euch ja das Unboxing gewünscht und dann sehen wir uns wieder, wenn ich die Tastatur ausgepackt habe. So Leute, ich habe die Tastatur angeschlossen und ich zeige euch die unterschiedlichen Lichtmodi. Dazu läuft ein bisschen Musik und viel Spaß dabei.
Just took like 14 Adderall, drank 72 Red Bulls, and finished my intro the day of the release.
I chase bad bitches, accolades, got will, son, no castaway. I'm twice as good, get half the praise. Throw a sniper up and I blast away. You ain't getting through me. Nah, how I've been here 10 hours. My chicks sour, rising and falling together, though like we the Twin Towers. Nothing's taken, I'm frustrated. If I could only get just to blaze it, ain't no doubt that I'd muster greatness. No chip off of that old block. All eyes on me, but I'm no Pac. Fully loaded off those shots, that bass will knock you like cold cocks. I'm number one. Big Mac in my flow, the ice in my wrist lacking. I've been having, they been slacking, they been doubting. I've been bout it, my mojo back rap school member. Gotta be one core winner. Got the game on my ring finger. I'm VA and that's over. All I've been killing shit, cause that's protocol. I don't do this for y'all, no, I just do this for me. I flip the game on this chill, 180 degrees. Baby, please, I know you're dying to stay. I ain't gonna stop you.
So Leute, ich hoffe, ihr habt alle Lichtmodi gesehen